How to create a guest account in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. Select Settings. In the Settings app, click on Accounts in the left-hand menu. Scroll down. Click on Other Users. Click on Add Account. In the Microsoft Account window, click on I don't have this person sign-in information. Then click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username for the guest account. You can also add a password if you want, but it's optional. Click Next to create the account. By default, the new account will be a standard user. Right-click on the Start button, select Computer Management. In the Computer Management window, under the System Tools folder, expand the Local Users and Groups folder. Click on the Groups folder to display the list of groups on the right side. Double-click on the guest group to open its properties. Click on the Add button. In the Select Users window, type the name of the account you want to add to the guest group and click Check Names to ensure it's correct. Click OK to close the window. The account will now be part of the guest group, which has more restricted privileges. Click Apply and then click OK. To use the guest account, sign out of your current account and select the guest account from the login screen. The guest can now use the PC without accessing your personal files or settings. And that's how you can create a guest account in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.